Hello, my name is Glen Belnay. I am the health officer for Hillsborough Township. I've actually been with the township for 42 years now as health officer. Thoroughly enjoy what I do. This is the Department of Health and Vital Statistics. As a Department of Health, we are obligated to follow the New Jersey Public Health Practice Standards, which pretty much sets forth all of the programs that the department provides to our residents. They fall into two general categories. I would categorize them in environmental health programs and then public health programs. On the environmental health side, we're responsible for restaurant inspections, compliance with the Retail Food Establishment Code. We also inspect wells, septic systems, respond to resident complaints where there's an issue of any kind of environmental contamination or resource compromise. On the public health side, we run a variety of clinical programs directed at communicable diseases, chronic diseases, maternal and child health. We run a well baby clinic program. It's called the Child Health Conference. We do that in conjunction with the Somerset Valley Visiting Nurses Association. It's held once a month where parents of preschool children can bring their children in to be immunized for all vaccine preventable diseases. That is also free of charge. We run an annual influenza immunization program. We target our senior citizens and those in high-risk categories who can suffer complications if they contract influenza. We have an annual rabies clinic that we run in January, which is the dog licensing month, where we immunize local cats and dogs against the rabies virus, and that's a prerequisite to get a license. We're going to be doing the annual dog canvass over the summer, where we'll be visiting households who have pets to assure that they've had their dogs licensed. Licensing is the vehicle that we can use to be certain that the dogs are vaccinated against rabies. We screen rabies in wildlife. We also have the Registrar of Vital Statistics here in the Health Department. Our registrar is available to issue marriage licenses, certified copies of death certificates. It's a very active program here in our community. I'm also the recycling coordinator, and we issue the blue buckets here to our new residents. So that'll probably be one of the first things that they'll do when they arrive in the community is get their recycling container. We're just basically here to assist and to respond to any kind of a concern that they have that would fall into the public health category. Hillsborough is, it has been such a privilege to work in this community for as long as I have. My background is I grew up in Bergen County. I went to Rutgers for my bachelor's, master's, and doctorate degrees. I fell in love with this community. I started here as a student intern in 1973, and here I am 42 years later, still here and enjoying every day of my time here. People ask me why I don't retire, and I just enjoy what I do too much to retire. So we're here. We'd like to help. Feel free to contact us. Office is 908-369-4313, which is the municipal building. My extension is 124. We have a website that describes all of the programs that we offer here. We can be reached by email. All of our emails are the same, letter of your first name and your last name at hillsborough-nj.org.